Hi guys, welcome to the next section, regular expressions. In this section we will see regular expression. We will also look at searching multiple literal strings and substrings occurrences. Next we will move to creating date regex. After that we will see making abbreviations. Finally we will learn to write our own regex tokenizer and stemmer. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with regular expression learning to use asterisk plus and question mark. In this video, we're going to take a look at the use of the plus and question mark operators in regular expressions. The shorthand operators are more commonly known as wildcards, but I prefer to call them 0 or more asterisk, 1 or more plus, and 0 or 1 question mark for distinction. These names are much more intuitive if you think about them. The regular expressions library is a part of the Python package and no additional packages need to be installed. We will start with adding the import statements. This imports the RE object, which allows processing and implementation of regular expressions. After that, we will add this Python function in the file that is supposed to apply the given patterns for matching. This function accepts two arguments. Text is the input text on which the patterns will be applied for match. Here we have defined the function. The research method applies the given pattern to the text object and returns true or false depending on the outcome after applying the method. That is the end of our function. Let's apply the wildcard patterns one by one. We will start with 0 or 1. Let's run this cell to look at this pattern AB. What this means is A followed by 0 or 1B. Now all of them found a match. These patterns are trying to match a part of the input and not the entire input, hence they find a match with all three inputs. On to the next one, 0 or more, we will add these 3 lines of code. The same set of inputs but a different string. The pattern says A followed by 0 or more B. Now let's see the output of these 3 lines. As you can see, all the text found a match. As a rule of thumb, whatever matches 0 or 1 wildcard will also match 0 or more. The question mark wildcard is a subset of asterisk. Now we will add 1 or more wildcard. The same input, just that the pattern contains the plus sign that is 1 or more wildcard. Let's see the output. As you can see, the first input string couldn't find a match. The rest did as expected. Now, being more specific in the number of repetitions, we will add this line of code. The pattern says A followed by exactly 2B. Needless to say, the pattern will find a match in the input text. Yes, we found a match. Now it's time for a range of repetitions. For that, we add this line of code. This will also be a match as we have as a substring A followed by 4B. In this video, we have looked at regular expression, learning to use asterisk, plus and question mark sign.